Well, you have clicked on the right video because I'm about to share with you a remarkably simple method to harness the power of ChatGPT for affiliate marketing right here, right now. So what's the secret sauce? Buckle up, because here's your ticket to the world of online income, no strings attached. Step 1, dive into the fascinating realm of ChatGPT by creating yourself a free account. Now picture this ChatGPT. Your digital partner is about to open the door to endless possibilities. You're about to discover the top 20 hottest niches for selling anything from sports, goodies, lifestyle, and fashion fishing essentials to travel gadgets. The best part, you don't need a product, an investment, or any prior experience. Are you ready to step into this AI-powered adventure? It's like harnessing the future to earn money today. And guess what? This tutorial is your golden ticket. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into a world where income knows no boundaries. Thanks for joining us. Your journey to online success starts now. Once ChatGPT reveals these treasure troves of potential, it's like opening Pandora's box of opportunity. Brace yourself. This is where the magic happens. Ask ChatGPT for the 10 most fantastic products to sell in each of these niches. As those product lists roll in, you're in for a treat. And hey, while you're at it, why not explore other niches like health and wellness, technology and gadgets, personal finance and investment, lifestyle and fashion, sports and fitness? It's important to note that you don't need to physically possess these products, manage inventory, or engage in dropshipping. Instead, you can utilize tools like Midjourney, an AI-powered platform that transforms text prompts into images, or the equally free alternative Blue Willow. Join one of these platforms and enter a product-related prompt. Once an image of the product is generated, you'll have a high-quality, realistic depiction that you can work with. This process is quick and yields copyright-free, unique content. Let's take the soccer as a prime example. The image that the AI generated displays a vibrant green soccer field under the clear blue sky, bathed in the warm glow of the sun. In the foreground, a player is poised to strike the ball with precision and power. The soccer ball itself is the center of attention, its intricate, micro-textured surface glistening under the sunlight. The details of the ball's construction are subtly highlighted, showcased, placing its aerodynamic features. The player's determined expression captures the essence of the game passion, dedication, and the pursuit of excellence. Our chosen game plan for this venture is anchored in affiliate marketing around sports products. Just to give you a glimpse of its effectiveness, the upcoming move involves crafting images for all the products we've listed, just like we did with the soccer ball. This method allows you to fully tap into the potential of affiliate marketing and cash in on the unique AI-generated content for each product. Now I'll go back to Blue Willow, navigating over to the Imagine section. I'll input the product's name. This time around, I'll crank up the specifications to extreme details and ultra-realistic. The magic at Blue Willow will then step up and conjure an image for the specific product in question. Keep in mind, this might take up to a minute to complete. Following this, I will transition to Kitco, a platform that enables the creation of a store without the need for physical products. Here, I can establish kits tailored to specific niches. For instance, by selecting the plus icon and choosing to create a new kit, I can designate it as a soccer ball, or perhaps incorporate elements related to sports. The video will play with rapid transitions between the images, showcasing the curated collection of products in an engaging manner. Step 1. Creating a business Pinterest account. The first crucial step is setting up a new business Pinterest account. Head over to Pinterest.com and on the left side of the sign-up page, select the business option. Fill in basic information like email, name, and gender. Next, you'll need to craft your business profile, tailoring it to your specific vision. This step is surprisingly straightforward and took me only 10 minutes to complete. Step 2. Setting up an Amazon Associates account. Following Glow with Gio's advice, the process is hassle-free, requiring only your email. Amazon Associates is available in 20 different countries, and approval typically takes 24 to 48 hours. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, displaying essential statistics such as click-through radius. No need for additional tracking tools. Amazon Associates provides all the necessary data on their website. Step 3. Pinterest keyword research. Moving on to Step 3. I explored keyword research for my Pinterest niche. Contrary to some suggestions, Google Trends proved irrelevant to Pinterest. Instead, I found that the most effective method was to use Pinterest itself. By typing in search queries related to my pin ideas, I discovered trending keywords. This straightforward approach provided valuable insights for crafting compelling titles and descriptions. Step 4. Creating a Canva account. Step 4 involves creating a Canva account, a crucial tool for implementing the strategy outlined by Glow with Geo. Canva facilitates the design of visually appealing pins that align with your page's aesthetic. The account setup takes only 5 to 10 minutes with a monthly fee of $12.99. Step 5. Pin creation process. With the foundational steps completed, step 5 is where you start creating your pins. Begin by selecting designs in Canva that resonate with your style and page design. Then head to Amazon to find products for promotion. This is a meticulous process involving screenshotting product images from Amazon and uploading them to Canva. Each pin creation can take up to 30 minutes, depending on factors like your proficiency and the number of items featured. Step 6. Uploading pins to Pinterest. Finally, step 6 entails uploading your designed pins to Pinterest. Be sure to add your affiliate links in the designated area, ensuring not to place them in the Add Destination link or website sections. A meticulous description with relevant keywords enhances the visibility of your pins. This process demands time and attention to detail, but is crucial for building a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Since you've made it this far, trust me, you're on top of something extraordinary. This tutorial isn't just a lesson, it's a passport to earning potential you've never imagined. Hit that like button smash, subscribe, and let's journey into the land of online income awesomeness together. If you're hungry for more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep those success stories rolling. Remember, with determination and the right knowledge, you have the power to turn your online ventures into lucrative realities. Stay motivated, and let's make those online money-making dreams come true.